What is up, guys? Back with another video. And today I have a 1941 Washington quarter. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about this quarter. So many of you guys may know, some may not, that from 1932 to 1964, the U.S. Mint minted silver quarters. And this just happens to be one of them. So one way you can tell if a quarter is silver is the years, but also you turn it like this and you'll see that the rim looks like this. Whereas with a regular quarter, it looks like this, just like this. So can you see the difference, guys? This is a 2008. Now, when you place it side by side with the 1941, look at the difference. So from 1932 to 1964, the U.S. Mint minted silver quarters. Now, this isn't in the best condition, but I want to show you what mint condition silver quarters, specifically the 1941, are going for at today's time. So if you ask yourself, how do I get one of these quarters? You simply go to your bank and ask them for $10 worth of quarters. They'll give you one quarter roll. And you can get as many of those as you want or as many as your bank will allow. You go through the rolls and you try and see if you can find some silver ones, guys. These are worth money, worth a lot more than, face value, especially because they're some of the earlier minted quarters. But if the condition is pristine, as you saw, you can get thousands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coin hunting, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.